Hey, good morning, YouTube. Um, 2018 Honda Pilot. The spoiler is broken, so I'm about to fix that. We're gonna put that back here. Now I checked the whole YouTube. I haven't found anything which shows clearly how to put these and how these works. I'm gonna explain to you guys how many screws it needs, how many garments it needs, and that black one is the water spray thing, the black wire thing, and then that green one is the light for that to light up. Let's do it. Another thing that I noticed, that I haven't even found any video of removing this. Everybody shows you how to remove this and change the bulb, but I want to remove this to change it. Looks like I have to remove the whole bumper, but if you guys know any shortcut, please let me know. For these headlights, I know you have to remove the bumper, which is not bad. There's few screws right here at the top and at the bottom, and also two right here to just remove this liner, and then just a little bit, and then you'll be able to replace the headlight. Anyway, let's go and get to work to replace the spoiler, and I'm gonna show you how many screws it has. It's always better to use a step because this area is very top of the tall. If you're tall, I don't know if you can set these wires up, but if I would prefer to use a step, because you have to put those stuff from here, from behind, to set it up properly. So I use this a step. Here we go, guys. So as you guys can see, these are all the screws that goes from underneath. I'm going to show you guys 1 2 3. There's 8 of them. It's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm sorry, maybe I've count one of them is just a plastic clip. That's what it is. These are the clips, 3 of them, 1 2 3. Now the screws are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 of them. I had to order from eBay, and then you have to just push that thing in, and then it comes with the screws right here. Once you push it in, we're gonna line up here all these holes, and then we're gonna screw it up. As you guys can see, guys, it's right here. So you have to remove this cover from the tail, from this back door, whatever you guys call it. There's a cover right here, there's a cover right here. So you guys, once you guys removed it, you will be able to reach these screws, you guys can see, and also the holes for the clips that goes there. And there's 2 of them, 2 right here on the left and right side, which you don't need to actually remove this. You can still have access to it, but the problem is you will not have access to the rest, but you still have to remove it. You guys see it? It's right here. And then there's a hole right here. This is the 5.16 socket that I'm gonna use to tie them back in on its place. This glass was broken. It was shattered because this area was pushed, so I had to replace the whole windshield and the mirror, the windshield, whatever, the glass, whatever you guys call it. And then now I have to put that spoiler back because that was pushed, it was broken, and also the body was pushed. As you can see, you guys can see, I didn't took it to the body shop. I pushed it and I hammered it in, and it looks fine now. As you guys can see, the screws that I've ordered from eBay is actually longer than the one which is in the car. As you guys can see, you see how it's longer. But the good news is it actually works, because the spots over there is deep enough, so if you can screw this in, it will still work. That's a good thing. Let's put them separate still. So I'm gonna show you guys also the areas where these goes again. Now, interestingly, this 2, which is from the left and from the right, is actually a little bit fat than the one which goes normally around. And then now I'm gonna show you guys. This is actually from this corner that I showed you guys. It's right here from this 2, and the rest is actually these small holes right there. So we will just put them separate to just to be sure where all these screws are going. That's my habit. When I take out screws, I put them all separate. If I have a part, for example, if I'm removing a part from a car and I remove the screws from it, so what I do, I put the screws at the side of it, so each part with the screws get together and you don't mix it up. That's how it is, because usually you will see how it is. They are the same, numbers, but you see how the sizes are different. That's why, guys, it's better to keep them all together where it belongs. Okay, as you guys can see, the spoiler right here at the top of the car. These are the plastic clips which goes, and these are the 8 screw spots where we're gonna screw it in. Some of them were actually broken because they were pushed in, and what I did, I used glue or adhesive that I bought for around this windshield that I put, or the glass. Now I can use this also to use the kind of glue to glue them up. And as you guys can see right here, it was broken as well, so I put a bunch of glue right here, and it will be hidden. Nobody will be seeing that, but the good news is that's gonna work. And I told you guys the screws are different and longer. The one I ordered, you guys see how deep it is, so if you guys can screw it in, it will get in without any issue. And these clips are hard to find. This is the original, actually. The original one, I couldn't find it, so I had to go to the AutoZone, and I found kind of compatible, but they're not bad. They're gonna work. So I'm gonna remove this tape from here, try to clean it, and then we're gonna put this water spray back, and then this clip which goes right there, and then we're gonna screw it in. This washer spray was actually kind of hard to put it while it's already connected, so I removed it. We're gonna put it back here, and then we try to put this thingy back to it once it's already installed on that hole. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Unfortunately, this thing is actually broken, guys. I'm gonna order another one, for now we're gonna just put it like that, so we can just do our work for now, and then we're gonna go from there when I replace it. It's not bad, it's not hard to replace it, it's a easy one, but I think we have to remove the whole spoiler to change that, but I will see if that works like that. I will try to glue it, not like the glue permanent. I'll try to do a double-side tape or something to at least hold it for now. It's always better to push this plastic thingy back in, because there will be a hole, and then it will prevent the water to get into it. So always push that back in on its spot. That's how it looks. We're gonna screw it in right now. Here we go, folks. So once you guys line it up, if you guys remember, I show you guys plastic pieces. It's just better to, like, do with your fist like this. So once those plastic things are lined up, we can use the screws to screw them all together. Okay, let's do that. Now, another good news is, guys, if you guys can see this, it's sometimes it doesn't line up. So what I do, guys, I screw them. Like whenever I screw this area and that area, I don't tighten them up until I put all my screws in. So that what you see how it's crooked. So I can push it if I didn't tighten the screws. So never tighten them up until you already put all the screws in, and then we will once you put the screws in, then you guys can tie them all together. Here we go, guys. All nice, tight. On. It's the spot. You guys can see. Wires are connected. I'm gonna put all these covers back. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me show you guys from the top how it looks. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Cool. Looks fantastic. Looks great. Okay. And then I already checked it. It lights up. It's working. So that's good. That's a good thing. Nice and beautiful. Cool. All right, guys. As we spoke, I brought all the covers. We're gonna make this area to wear its clothes back, and it's gonna look cool and fantastic. And these basically just have clips. You just push them on, push them in, and then they'll be all on its spots. Actually, removing this is also not bad. You just pull them up from these areas, and there's screws. I mean, the clips are gonna just come out, and there's no screw, guys. There is a screw right here in this area where you guys can see there's two of them. So be careful when you're removing that, because it's gonna hang. So yeah, but other than that, it's gonna be just hanging. And then if you be careful, you're not gonna mess up here the wires and the screws right here. You can unscrew it because of the lock and the electric thing that it has right here. But other than that, it's very easy and simple to remove that too. Here we go, guys. Clothes are back on, beautiful, and they're all looks fantastic. You guys don't want to see when I broke it, guys. In California recently I moved, so there's a problem with the garages that the buildings has here. At the top, right there on that area, on the very inside on the garages, there's cabinets. I don't know what fool who put that idea that we have to have a cabinet over there, which will be right here in the back of the car. So if you have a windshield like this, you back up, it's gonna crack and shatter the windshield. So I think they're all hidden, so be careful when you go to California garages. You have to just go head in, because the cameras right here in the back of the car shows only the bottom area, so it doesn't show this place. That's how it was. So when I backed up, it hit the glass, and it shattered it. That's what happened, guys. No accident, no nothing. It was just a simple backup, and it shattered it. So I had to end up replacing this glass. The spoiler was messed up. Everything, I had to just do it. Well, I did it by myself, not bad. Other than that, I will just charge you guys $2,000 if you take it to a dealership or to a, I don't know, car shop or a glass thingy thing. But anyway, hope I was able to show you guys how to do this. It's a simple work. Do it by yourself and save yourself thousands of dollars. Have a good day.